Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 7e Pro and we're going to fix the camera focus issues. At first you need to get yourself a microfiber cloth such as this one. I mean, it doesn't have to be a microfiber one. I need to just clean the camera lenses. So at first, turn your phone upside down and clean the camera lenses. This is not camera lens, so you don't need to clean it, but the rest need to be cleaned. You need to try to remove some fingerprints, dust, pocket lint, and you need to check both these rear cameras and the front camera, the selfie camera. Even a thin smudge can confuse the autofocus. Apart from that, if you have the case that's covering somehow the lenses, or is very big, or if it somehow covers the screen over here, remove it. Remove the case, the lens protector, and screen protectors, everything that you may have in your device. Some accessories like this can interfere with focusing, so remove any camera lens protector temporarily, test it without phone case, and check whether the protector is scratched or cloudy. Apart from that, as I said, I remove the screen protector or the case that is covering the front part of your phone. Apart from that, instead of relying on automatic detection, just tap your screen somewhere. You need to tap to focus. Open the camera app, point at the subject, tap the area you want to shop, and wait for focus to lock before taking the photo. This is especially useful for close-ups and low-light scenes. So, apart from that, you need to increase the distance for close subjects. Every camera has a minimum focusing distance. If an object is too close, you need to move the phone further away, use zoom or crop later if needed, and switch to the macro mode. And macro mode, as you can see, is here. So, number 5 tip that I can give you is actually to improve the lighting. Autofocus performs best with sufficient light. So, try moving near a window, turning on some room lights, using night mode in the dark environments. Low light actually can often cause focus hunting. Restart the camera app. So do something like this. Just swipe up and close it, or hold your finger on the camera application, tap this info icon, and tap force stop it right here. Then OK, and wait a moment. Now open it back again, and everything should be working nice here. Temporary software glitches can affect the focus, so it's actually very useful. Clear the camera app storage. This can resolve corrupted settings, so do the same. Hold your finger on the camera app, tap info icon, tap storage and cache, and here tap clear cache. Not storage completely, but cache. If the problem persists, you need to here click this one, clear storage. Update the phone software if it didn't help you. Open the settings and scroll all the way down until you see the system update section right here. Tap check for updates. Camera improvements are often delivered through updates, so try to install any when you are here. As you can see, I don't have any to install. So that should be it. Have a nice day and goodbye.